What's going on, guys? Right here we got a 2017 Nissan Altima. 2017 Nissan Altima. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this front bumper and the headlamp. I will show you guys the points first, and then I will show you guys the work. Guys, this side right here is pretty messed up. It's okay, don't worry. The same procedure that you guys do for the right side, it's the same procedure for the left side, but the left side is pretty banged up. Don't worry about that. Just do the same, apply the same procedure. With that said, guys, let's get to work on the right side over here. Over here, guys, I want you guys to use a flathead screwdriver or a clip mover, pull this thing back. Pull this thing back, okay? The reason why, there's a screw right there, guys. See that screw? It's right there on top. It's a screw right there on top. You're gonna take the screw from there. It's a number 10. But this car has been fixed before, because that screw right there, they put a fillet. It's supposed to be a number 10 screw that goes right there. Go ahead and take that screw from right there. That's for the top section. Now, let's go see that's for the side. Let's go see what the bottom section looks like. Over here in the bottom, okay. Over here in the bottom, guys, let me grab that light. Okay, all right, guys. You guys see these screws? I want you guys to go ahead and move these screws from right here. So 1, 2, 3 of them, 4. Oh, that's a fillet. Take them screws from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna come down the line with it. You're gonna take that screw from right there. It's a 10mm, guys. It's a 10mm. Take that screw from right there. Take that one from right there. Take that screw from there. Keep going down the line with it. It's supposed to be a screw right there, but it's gone. Take it from there. Take that screw from right there. Over here. That fillet. That fillet. That one. And that one. Once you guys move all those screws, that will clear the bottom. Let's go see what the top looks like. Up here on the top section, guys, once you guys these clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and move all them clips from there, guys. Take them clips out of there. Okay, all you gotta do is pick this up like this and take these clips out, just like that. Pick them up and take them out. Okay? It comes right out. It comes right out. Alright? Now, once you guys take these clips out, take out these as well. You're gonna take this piece off. And then there's more clips. See that clip right there? You're gonna take that clip from right there. Take that one from right there, that one, and that one over there. Once you guys get the clips out of there, then the bumper is ready to be taken off the car. With that said, you guys stay tuned and watch the work. You're gonna hold it back just like that. From right there. Then you're gonna hold it, pull it out, comes right out. We'll do the same exact thing for the left side. All right, now let's go do the bottom section now. guys, now we're going to go ahead and take off this top piece. Now we're going to go ahead and take these off. I'll show you guys those clips already. Not very good, guys. Now we're gonna grab the bumper and pull the bumper off. Go ahead and grab it and pull it out. There's a clip down here, but I'll just pull it off. Alright guys, that's it. It's pretty simple. Come right on. It's pretty simple, guys. You can do it too. Let's get it. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to pick up this headlamp. I'm going to show you guys the points first. The same how I did with the bumper. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do the work now. Let's go take a look. Okay guys, these are the points on how to take off this headlamp. We're going to start over here. We're going to move that screw from right there. That's one screw. That's two screws. Come down here. Over here. There's another screw right there. That's three. Over here. That's four. Right there. Get it from right there. You're going to take all them screws out. Then you're going to pull the headlamp out. You're going to unhook the wire from off the headlamp. And then that's it. You're good to go. Alright? So stay tuned and watch the work. Go ahead and get that plug from there. That's it. Goes right out. Alright? Now I'm going to show you guys how to take on the fender, but this process will be on my next channel. If you guys are interested, the link is in the box below. Alright? Now with that said, thank you guys for tuning in. Please support the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video, baby. What work you want to check it out. Bam. Okay guys, these are the points on how to take out the fender. Now we got off the bumper and the headlamp. These are the points on how to take out the fender. Let's start with down here. Guys, see that screw right there? Take that one screw from right there. On top here, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take this piece from here, move that clip from there, that clip, and take this piece off here. Why? There's a screw right there hidden, one right there. There's another one right there hidden. Then you're gonna come up here. Use a flathead or your clip remover tool. You're gonna push this piece out your way. Okay? Push this piece back out your way, just like that. There's another screw right there that's hidden. Take that screw from right there. There's another one over here. Take that screw from right there, guys. Then you're gonna come down here, guys. Come down here. I want you guys to take that screw from right there, fill it, that clip, that screw over here. You're gonna push this clip off of here, okay? And then you're gonna come back down here. You're gonna come up underneath it. You're gonna take that screw from right there. Take that clip from right there. You're gonna take that clip from right there. And then you're gonna grab this molding and pull this molding off some. You don't gonna have to do it completely, just pull it off some. Once you guys pull it off some, you will see a screw up underneath this rocker molding. Okay, you're gonna take the screw out, and then the fender is okay to come off the car. With that said, you guys stay tuned and watch the work. Take it out. Okay guys, there's one screw right there, one of them. It's right there. Okay, go ahead and take that screw from there. Okay, now we're going to go to the bottom section now. Alright, now we'll hold this piece and pull it back. Pull it out. Now, there's two clips that goes right there. Those clips always break. They're always break, so there's nothing you can do about it. They always break. Got this piece loose? There's one screw right there. I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, that's one. Once you guys set this piece back, the screw is right there. Right there. Also guys, there's another hidden screw. Right over here guys. There's another hidden screw right here. I want you guys to get your extension. You're gonna hold this piece back, right? Hold this piece back. You're gonna push this piece back. Oh no. Right it back just like that. You guys see that screw right there? It's a hidden screw. Take that screw from right there. All you gotta do, put your put your extension on your tool and take that screw from right there. It's a hidden screw. Take it from right there. You can't miss it. It's right there. Take it from there. All right. Okay guys, once you take the screw from down here, at the side of the side, right down near the bottom, up here, go ahead and take off the fender. After you do that, guys, comes off. Alright? Remember, one screw goes right there, another screw goes right there, one goes up there, and the side. Let's take it off. Comes off. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, so thank you guys for tuning in. Please support the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.